Okay, so let's look at this. I have a gas on glass range by GE, and if you notice this thing, this is what a burner is supposed to look like. I'm on propane. It's supposed to be a blue burner. You might get a little bit of yellow flame, but the one we use the most here has yellow tips on the end, and that's not really good. That's incomplete combustion, and so I wanted to find out what the problem was with it, because hey, you don't want incomplete combustion, right? So the problem was the head burner, gas head burner, was bad. And this is what one looks like, a brand new one that I picked up on Amazon. It cost me about $100 for this thing. So let's take a look at the old one. And, oh, ow! No, just kidding, I'll let that cool. This is the old one. You can tell that it's not only darkened, but it's also misshapen. So just looking at them too, this has gotten hollowed out. The shape has actually changed. And the little upside down castles on the underside are the vents. So when it misshapens, you get the wrong amount of oxygen in there. It causes it to burn yellow instead of blue. That's the one we use the most. So I'll just put this on top, replace this and test it. And there you go. Blue flame. That's the way it's supposed to be. There's the old flame. The incomplete combustion. And the blue flame. So, hope that helps.